Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front parking sensors and front fog lights. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. This Transporter is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Transporter again, you will notice 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. You'll also notice front and rear mud flaps. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving the van on a busy road and for cold winter months. And to this side, you will notice a passenger sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As we pan the video camera around, you will notice factory fitted panels, and also the load area is clean from damage. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice a tailgate without window. As we move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. As we move up, you will notice standard rear tail lights. It's also fitted with a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the tailgate. If you would like to protect the load area from damage, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on wood ply lining. Also across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner tailgate. This van is painted in a metallic paint, which is bay leaf green. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we look to the back of the Transporter, you will notice two comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice armrests on both front seats for added comfort. You will also notice that the driver's seat and the floor still have the protective wrapping from factory. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to talk to you about the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window switches. Down here, you will see the automatic headlamp switch. To this side, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 15 delivery miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with two USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the Transporter into reverse, you will notice a rear view camera. If I press the screen, you'll also notice it's fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. It's also fitted with heated front seats. They're easy to adjust, just repress the switch as you can see. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are talking to the salesperson, you could also ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.